In early 2022, FTX looked unstoppable. It was one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Its founder, Sam Bankman-Fried, was everywhere. He appeared on magazine covers, spoke alongside world leaders, and built a reputation as the man who could bring crypto into the mainstream. At its peak, FTX was worth $32 billion. Then, almost overnight, it all came crashing down. Customers rushed to withdraw their money. Panic spread across the market. And within days, one of the most powerful companies in crypto filed for bankruptcy. So how did a company worth billions collapse so quickly? And how did its founder go from crypto's rising star to one of the most controversial figures in finance? This is the story of FTX. To understand the collapse of FTX, we first need to understand the man behind it. Long before he became one of the most recognizable figures in cryptocurrency, Sam Bankman-Fried was known for something else: his intelligence. Born in California in 1992, Sam grew up in a highly academic environment. Both of his parents were professors at Stanford University, one of the most prestigious schools in the United States. From an early age, he stood out for his analytical thinking and interest in solving complex problems. After graduating high school, he attended the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, better known as MIT, where he studied physics. But unlike many of his classmates, Sam wasn't interested in pursuing a career in science. He was fascinated by markets, data, and the idea of making decisions based purely on numbers. After graduating from MIT, he joined Jane Street, a quantitative trading firm known for hiring some of the brightest minds in finance. There he learned how global markets operated and how small inefficiencies could create massive opportunities. Around the same time, cryptocurrency was beginning to attract attention around the world. Bitcoin was growing rapidly, but the industry was still young, unpredictable, and filled with inefficiencies. Where most people saw risk, Sam saw opportunity, and that opportunity would eventually lead him to create a company that changed the crypto industry forever. When FTX launched in 2019, it entered an industry crowded with competitors. But Sam believed he could build something better. Unlike many existing crypto exchanges, FTX was designed with professional traders in mind. The platform quickly gained attention for its advanced features, low fees, and aggressive approach to growth. As cryptocurrency entered a massive bull market, FTX expanded at an incredible pace. New users flooded onto the platform, trading volume surged, and investors began taking notice. Within just a few years, FTX had transformed from a small startup into one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Major venture capital firms invested billions of dollars into the company. By early 2022, FTX was valued at an astonishing $32 billion. But Sam wasn't just building a company, he was building a brand. FTX signed sponsorship deals with professional sports teams, purchased naming rights to an NBA arena, and partnered with some of the biggest celebrities in the world: Tom Brady, Stephen Curry, Naomi Osaka. FTX seemed to be everywhere. To many people, Sam Bankman-Fried wasn't just another entrepreneur. He was the future of cryptocurrency. But that future was about to come crashing down. In November 2022, reports began to raise serious questions about the relationship between FTX and Alameda Research. Alameda held a large portion of its assets in FTT, a cryptocurrency created by FTX itself. The revelation sparked concern across the crypto industry. Investors and customers began to question whether FTX was financially stable. Then came the moment that changed everything. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, announced it would sell its holdings of FTT. Panic spread quickly. Customers rushed to withdraw billions of dollars from FTX, but the company didn't have enough liquid funds to meet the demand. What followed was one of the largest collapses in financial history. Within days, FTX filed for bankruptcy. Billions of dollars in customer funds were suddenly missing. Sam Bankman-Fried, once celebrated as crypto's golden boy, now faced intense scrutiny from regulators, investors, and the public. The company that had been valued at $32 billion was gone, and one of the biggest success stories in cryptocurrency had become one of its biggest scandals. The rise of FTX was extraordinary, but its fall became a warning to the entire world.